In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily rotate and flip video on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let's open up Photos app, and once it is done, first off, now we need to search for a video we would like to flip or rotate. I'm gonna use that one as an example. Once you open the video, then you need to tap right here at this button, and after that you will find the option crop here, and that's where we can easily flip our video by tapping right there at this button. That's how it can be easily done. And also, if you would like to rotate it, then you just need to use the next option here, and that will rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So here you need to tap at this button as many times as you want until your video gets to the desired state, and once it is done, just hit right here at done, and that will save all the changes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.